Good morning to all viewers. Myself, Avinav Kumar Tripathi, working as a head of department in Sri Rawatpura Sarkar Group of Institution, RE Jhansi, and today we are discuss about HLV value. So, right now about introduction. In past 50 years, there has been a tremendous growth in the field of surfactants. The term surfactants include emulsifier, wetting agents, suspending agent, detergent, antifoam compounds, and many others. Therefore, their classification is very important to choose suitable surfactant to give a maximum effect. William Griffin in the late 1940s introduced the hydrophilic lipophilic balance system as a way of figuring out which emulsifier would work best with the oil phase of an emulsified product. Definition: it is the relative efficiency of the hydrophilic portion of the surfactant molecule to its lipophilic portion of the same molecule. Emulsifier surfactants are characterized according to the balance between the hydrophilic, it means water loving, and lipophilic, it means oil loving portion of their molecules. An emulsifier that is lipophilic in character is assigned a low HLV number, and an emulsifier that is hydrophilic in character is assigned a higher number. The midpoint is approximately 10 and the assigned value have ranged from 1 to 40. The hydrophilic lipophilic balance number indicates the polarity of the molecules in a range of 1 to 40, with the most commonly used emulsifier having a value between 1 and 20. The HLV number increases with increased hydrophilicity. Lipophilic tails align with oil, hydrophilic heads align with water. One more time repeat. Lipophilic tails align with oil and hydrophilic heads align with water. The theory behind HLV is that emulsifier having low HLV value tend to be oil soluble and material having high values tend to be water soluble. However, this doesn't always be right. Example, two emulsifier may have the same HLV and exhibit different solubility characteristics. Further, one should take a point into consideration that chemical type alone doesn't establish hydrophilic lipophilic balance. Soaps may range from strongly hydrophilic from sodium laurate and to strongly lipophilic from aluminum oilate ester. Ether esters and ethers may range from low to high HLVs. Sulfates and sulfonates may range from medium to high. Determination of HLV: for most hydrophilic alcohol fatty acid ester, approximate value may be calculated with the formula, and the formula is HLV is equal to 20 1 minus S upon A. So where S is sulfonication number of the ester and A acid number of the acid. One more time repeat. For most polyhydric alcohol fatty acid esters, approximate value may be calculated with the formula, and the formula is HLV is equal to 21 minus S upon A. So where S is sulfonication number of the ester and A is acid number of the acid. And next slide is determination of HLV requirement. The desired HLV number can also be achieved by mixing lipophilic and hydrophilic surfactants. William Griffin devised HLV system to calculate amount of emulsifier to get the desired HLV. The desired HLV number can also be achieved by mixing lipophilic and hydrophilic surfactant, William Griffin devised HLV system to calculate amount of emulsifier to get the desired HLV value. So what is the equation? HLV is amount of first emulsifier multiply HLV of first emulsifier plus amount of second emulsifier and HLV of second emulsifier upon amount of first emulsifier plus amount of second emulsifier. HLV is equal to, one more time repeat, amount of first emulsifier into HLV of first emulsifier plus amount of second emulsifier HLV of second emulsifier upon amount of first emulsifier plus amount of second emulsifier. Next slide. So this is our HLV scale. Okay, so you look it out. Solubilizing agent, the range is 15 to 18. Detergent 13 to 15. Oil and water emulsifying agent 8 to 16. Wetting and spreading agent 7 to 9. Water and oil emulsifying agent 3 to 6. Anti-foaming agent is 2 to 3. Hydrophilic oil soluble and water dispersible and hydrophilic water soluble. So these three range in HLV scale. One more time repeat. Solubilizing agent is 15 to 18. Detergent is 13 to 15. Oil and water emulsifying agent is 8 to 16. Wetting and spreading agent 7 to 9. Water and oil emulsifying agent is 3 to 6. Anti-foaming agent is 2 to 3. And HLV scale is divided in 3 portions: hydrophilic water soluble, water dispersible and hydrophilic soluble. So right now we are discuss about application of surfactant depending on HLV. So the HLV system is a very useful to distinguish the surfactant according to their application. Generally the application for non-ionic surfactant within the following HLV are as follows. HLV range application 4 to 6 is water and oil emulsifier, 7 to 9 is wetting agent, 8 to 18 oil and water emulsifiers, 13 to 15 detergent and 10 to 18 solubilizers. And the advantage of this HLV scale, the first most important advantage is gives stable emulsion, and work best with non-ionic surfactant. Gives stable emulsion and work best with non-ionic surfactant. And disadvantage is HLV is a good approximation. HLV is only a good approximation, doesn't always work. So this is a disadvantage of HLV scale. And advantage is give a stable emulsion, work best with non-ionic surfactant. So this is our discuss about completely HLV scale. थैंक यू सो मच. और हमारे चैनल को देखने के लिए और भी इम्पोर्टेंट लेक्चर को सुनने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और देखते रहिए रावतपुरा सरकार एक्सपर्ट लेक्चर सीरीज. थैंक यू सो मच.